Hi, I'm Jonty from Uno Property Management. Now let me tell you a quick story. Last year, we helped out a landlord who was juggling everything alone. Dealing with maintenance, finding tenants, even chasing late rent. They were exhausted. Then they found us. Within the weeks, we had turned the property around. And now they couldn't imagine life without a property manager. This year, we want to help you. And that's why we're offering a special deal that saves you over $1,200. Here's how. Free premium Trademe listings. You save $228.85. A free maintenance fee, a saving of $230. A free inspection fee, a saving of $172.50. A free credit check charge, a saving of $86.25. A free risk and compliance fee, a saving of $517.50. This isn't just about saving money. It's about gaining peace of mind, knowing your property is in expert hands. The deal ends on the 31st of March 2025, so don't wait. Let's turn your property into a stress-free investment today. No fancy business, just results.